today I am back with another video for you guys, and in this video is a demo on this beautiful copper hair right here. I had been trying to get my hands on a unit that was this color and I could not find it anywhere, and I finally got my hands on it. And so yeah guys, I bought this to you. If you guys are interested in this video, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'm just showing you guys the wig. I'm just kind of showing you the unit straight out of the packaging. Here we have the front part of the wig. As you guys can see, it's the middle part. You have your two end tabs on the side, your two combs on the side, and then you also have a comb in the back. You also have your adjustable straps on each side so that you can adjust your wig to your head. So here you guys are just going to kind of sort of see me fighting with the wig, trying to get it to lay down and do all of that good stuff. I did lose a clip here where I actually used my electric hot comb to flatten it out and everything, just to kind of keep those flyaways down. And I don't know where that clip went, but you guys will see me kind of putting everything together. So I'm just going to be quiet and let you guys enjoy the video. So the unit is a Outre lace front unit, and it is in the style Phoenix, and the color is DR Copper Orange, and I purchased this from hairstylefly.com. And the unit is a very pretty copper color, as in the title. It's like a coppery orange color, and it is really long. It does come down to my breast, so I am 5'3", so it is a very long unit. Yeah guys, I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it at all. This is the completed look. Let's talk about it. So as you guys can see in the clip, the back of this unit was constructed very weird. I don't know if it's like they just, I see what they were trying to do. They were trying to layer it, but it's just like they just stopped cutting and then all of a sudden it gets long again. So that was kind of weird for me. Also, I think that, so just something to keep in mind, because I didn't figure this out until after the fact. The unit already comes with like a nice wave to it. Try not to brush through it. That's what I did. So I feel like it kind of messed up the curls a little bit. So try not to mess with the curl pattern if you can. But I just felt like I needed to brush it. I don't know why. I just felt like I needed to brush it, but leave it alone. But yeah, this is big head friendly. Let me just say it is big hair friendly. I do have my hair twisted up in little bitty twists under this unit. It's not braided down or anything. I just have a wig cap on with about 30 plus little bitty twists in my hair. So that's you know, that's a plus to it. You know, if you don't have your hair braided down, it's fine. You can slick it back, whatever, and this unit will still fit and it won't be bumpy. As you can see, it is very flat at the top as well as in the back. And yeah, I mean, I'm not mad at it. I don't know if this is something that I would wear as is right now. I probably more than likely will cut it into like, maybe because of the way the back is, I might cut it into like a bob or something. I'm not sure, because I could cut it into a bob just because, as you guys can see, this is like, this is it. Like, there's nothing left. And I'm no hairstylist, so I don't know how cutting goes, but I'm 100% sure, or probably like 95% sure, that when you're cutting layers into somebody's hair, you don't just cut the top, stop, and then just let the bottom be whatever. So, I mean, that's that. But other than that, I mean, I'm not mad at the hair. It is a nice texture. It feels, it's like a medium, it's like in between yucky and silky. I mean, it's a very nice texture. I'm not mad at it at all. But I am mad at the cut. That's about it. The color, absolutely love it. Like I said, I have been trying to get my hands on one, and I finally got my hands on it just to kind of see how this will match with my skin tone, which, girl, it goes with it, okay? So I'm not mad at that at all. I'm actually pretty pleased with the color. And now if I could just find another unit that maybe is a left side part, because you cannot part this. That's what I forgot to tell you guys. It is a middle part. You cannot part this any other way. So that's that. I did go in and I did tint the lace with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Deep. So I did do that, put some powder in it. Actually, I am lying. I used my powder from Black Radiance. It was my Black Radiance pressed powder in Golden Cashew. So that's what I used this time. And yeah. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you are not following me on social media, please go ahead and follow me on social media. I am on Instagram. I just started back with Twitter. Not really on it, but I'm there. And Facebook at DalanaB _. Don't forget the underscore. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.